So, yes, it's flattened now. 2 persons. Yes, all the legs are in and they're screw in, which not great. Haven't found out about the band yet. There's a few emails going to go to this crowd, I think. So next thing is the feet. Now, I'm going to show you these. Again, we haven't got on the rebounder yet. We don't know, is it good? Is the experience good on it? But the quality of what's making the rebounder. The others have, the ones that I have, the good rebounders that I have, the Maximus Pro and the FitBounce Pro bungees, they have proper shoes that go on. They don't have this extra little bit out to the side. I'm not sure what this is about. Is it a suction thing? Maybe suction it to the floor. That'll be interesting given it's a wooden floor and sometimes it can be very difficult to suction anything to it because it's got a sheen on it. Anyway, let's see. Let's put on the cups. They just, oops, no, don't squeeze on so easy. There's one on. Pushing it down. Let me know if you've got any rebounders that you have at home and that you are trying. Yeah, not so easy, folks. It's going on. A lot of work for me to do here to set up this rebounder. And, I mean, that's part of the cost, isn't it? Oh, that doesn't feel... Oh, just give it another squirt there. Sorry, you can't see me there. I'm over here on this side. Putting in this one. There we go. Whereas the Maximus Pro and the Bungee rebounder, whoops, just take that box out of the way, health and safety and all the rest of it. The Maximus Pro and the Bungee rebounder, the FitBounce Pro, they come all made up. You don't have to do any of this unless you're changing parts on it. And even at that, I would have to say the experience is easier than this. Like that's not how it's meant to be on. So I suppose you get what you pay for. This is a lot cheaper than either of those two rebounders. And I suppose if it's budget. But again, I haven't got on this rebounder. So until I get on it, let's swing it around here and try it. Check out the parts on it. Like getting these on, I suppose when they're on, they're on. That's the only thing. I'm finding them need a good bit of brute force and ignorance, as they say, lads. Now, let's check safety, as they say. So that's on them on. I want to double check these legs are tight now because, as I say, they're screw on. The other ones are spring loaded, and so you don't have that issue. These, I mean, are all needing an extra bit of two-handed tightening. Yeah, that one needs a bit more. And I thought I had them tight. No. Okay. So that's all on. Now I stuck these guys in. I'm going to leave one in if I can because I just don't trust it not to spring back on me until I get it down. As I said, these elastic bands, I'm not sure what they're for. I think they're to keep the mat in place. I don't see any real need for them. It's a very short mat. These seem to be metal hooks. We'll see how sturdy they are, but they look good. The bungee straps, again, time will tell how good they are. So I have the rebounder up. Here goes. On the feet. Oh, they are suction. Wow. That's an answer to whether you need weight to hold it down or suction cups.